Hello everybody, this is my water setup. I am a greenie gone wild. I have rerouted my front water runoff down the side of my house to two 1200 liter water tanks. And I've got them interconnected so the water balances. Now this one on the right is hooked up to my back roof, which doesn't have nearly as much water runoff. So obviously it makes sense to hook the two together, as you see here, so the water balances out. So the water is approximately balanced out. So I've got my whole above ground sprinkler system hooked up, just regular hose. And I bought this pump on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description so you can buy one. It's about 200 bucks. It's a pretty heavy duty pump. I put it on this small dolly, and then of course whenever I want to drain the water and water the lawn, I simply plug it into an outdoor outlet. So I've got 2400 liters on this side, and on the other side of the house I have 3 traditional tanks hooked up, which we'll go look at now. Here are the 3 traditional tanks. They're capturing runoff from the other half of the house, as you can see here. And each of these, I believe, is 50 gallons or 200 liters. So I have 600 liters here of water. And these are all empty right now. But that is the traditional. These barrels were about 100 bucks each, and they are obviously small. The ones on the other side of the house are 1200 liters each, and I got them for 130 bucks plus delivery, because who can fit them in your vehicle? So there you go. We're recapturing water when everything is full. I calculate it here where I live in the east side of Toronto. It's about $10 worth of water. If you fill them up 10 times a year, then that's 100 bucks. But I think you should be able to fill them up at least 20 times or 30 times in a season, so that would be about 300. And the water bills just keep going up. So that is why this is a fantastic system. Everyone should do this. It didn't cost that much to have my handyman reroute the gutters, and you get non-chlorinated water, which is much better for any vegetation. But don't drink it. Anyway, take care.